Everyone, please be very careful when you're applying for U.S. citizenship. When you apply for naturalization, USCIS reviews your entire immigration file, your A file, and if there were any issues with how you obtained your permanent residence or anything in there, they're going to review that. Even if it was many years ago, I recently saw a case where they reviewed someone's employment-based green card. They were a derivative on a parent's application from over 10 years ago, right? So if there was any abnormalities, any issues, if a green card was issued incorrectly, it could lead to problems. And not only could this mean that you won't be able to naturalize because you did not obtain your permanent residence properly, it could actually jeopardize your permanent residence. So the takeaway here is if you're applying, before you apply for naturalization, please be very, very careful reviewing your immigration history, because if there's any problems in there, you could really, really jeopardize your permanent residence. Yes, USCIS can also just reopen your permanent residence case, but it's unlikely if you've been a permanent resident for over a decade. But if you apply for a new benefit, you're giving them a reason to do so. So this is not to say don't apply. It's to say before you apply, have a solid strategy and make sure you're addressing any issues that may be coming up. If you have any questions or comments on this, please post them in the comments and I'll do my best to record more videos. Thank you so much for watching.